Because of the gift you gave me, this is 619,000 each. Since nandito kayo, boss, medyo private kayo. Daming tumitingin sa labas. Gusto nyo ba private, boss, na hindi kayo nakikita sa labas? O gusto nyo nakikita kayo? Oh! We have clients that wants privacy when they deal with us. Kaya we have that option na, of course.
Kasi plano ko talaga, hindi niya alam to. Kukuha talaga ako ng dalawa. Para sa akin, isa para sa kanya. Birthday gift kasi recently nag-birthday siya.
You guys are the owner of the Kanzen. So ito, gigift mo na sa kanya?
Kasi ako, ito rin ang trip ko eh.
Eh di dalawang ganito. Maganda rin yon. At least twinning kayo. Ganyan kami ni Paring G. Yung pinaka first luxury yung Tagoyer namin. Because of the gift you gave me, this is 619,000 each. 2025 unworn, I would give this to you easily for 580 each. Malaking discount yun because you gave us gift din kasi.
Hirap tanggihan niya, brother.
Done! Thank you so much, boss. Boss, congratulations ha. Maraming salamat. Alright, so we sold 580 each lang. As in, karampot na lang. Sobrang pitik na lang yung tubo namin dito. Which is okay. You know, I wanna build a relationship with you guys. Really appreciate the gesture that you gave us. Not only that, boss, since done deal tayo ngayon, nakalimutan ko actually offer sa inyo. Exclusive dealer kami dito sa Pilipinas ng Legacy PPF. Best PPF in the world. Natin yung barista natin. Parang ako yung Indiano. Boss, ang daming gano'n.
और अब इस बर्फ को तोड़कर ये जो अपने ग्लासेस थे बर्फ को पहले धुल लिया है और अभी
That is the signature white chocolate mocha ni Paring Hype.
Kasi siya, hindi ko naramdaman na masyadong matamis, hindi masyadong mapait. So, pwede siya sa mga mahihilig lang sa
coffee. Ano, boss, thank you so much. Ay, maraming salamat sa serbisyo nyo. Next time. Boss, thank you so much ha. Thank you so much for being a part of the construction nitong 31 by Jet and Nakabenta pa ako.